Welcome back to my channel. I'm AeroDragon, and in this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be structuring it in sort of like an update video, that way you guys can get a look behind the scenes and see a little bit more of what happens behind the scenes instead of just getting a polished video. Comment down below about what you like about this type of video and what you don't. I love your guys' feedback and it always helps me to improve. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so what I've been doing in the past few months is I've been working on two different projects. Sorry, this space is a bit messy. I just moved and I haven't got everything set up yet. But, so I've been working on two things. One is a flight computer. This thing right here is prototype breadboard. It's got a gyro, barometer, Wi-Fi chip, LED, all this jazz. And then my second project is my L2. So I don't know if you guys can tell by how big these parts are and how big the rocket's going to be, but it's a 4-inch diameter, about 8 feet tall rocket. So it's pretty big. Right now I have done some first fillets, and I have the avionics stack partially done. I've got some fiberglass laid down on the inside to help with stability, and then on the coupler for the booster to the main tube, I've got the first layer of epoxy on. So definitely some improvements need to be made, and I have lots of work to do on this. I have to figure out some power supply issues as well as some coding issues, because right now I have the web page up and running. I'm naming this Project Pulse, and I'm going to make a few videos about it. Same for the L2 in a little bit, but essentially it's a Wi-Fi enabled flight computer that can do all sorts of fun things. Yeah, so comment down below what you like about this style of video and what you don't. I just did one take, and so it's gonna look pretty unrefined, but I'll throw some fun stuff in there on the way. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to ignite the skies.